Welcome! If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and never miss out on the latest creative ideas, enabling in-app notifications for suggested creator pins on Pinterest is a must. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to make sure you're always in the loop with pins from creators you might love. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings we'll be covering. Once you're in, head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping the person icon or your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, look to the top of your profile page and tap on your profile picture. This will open up a menu with a variety of options to personalize your Pinterest experience. Next, find and tap on the notification option. This is where you control what Pinterest tells you about, from activity on your pins to updates from other creators. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Activity from Creators. Here, you'll find a setting called New Pins, from creators you might like. This is the key to getting updates about fresh content from creators Pinterest thinks you'll enjoy. Tap on this setting, and you'll see a toggle for in-app notifications. Go ahead and switch this on. With this enabled, you'll start receiving notifications directly inside the Pinterest app whenever there are new pins from suggested creators. This way, you won't miss out on trending ideas, inspiration, or creative content tailored just for you. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you're making sure that Pinterest keeps you updated with the latest pins from creators who match your interests. It's a simple change that can make your Pinterest feed even more inspiring and relevant. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for tuning in, and happy pinning!